It doesn't matter how much money you earn, but how much money you keep. That is why in our today's video, we will cover what is a good monthly savings plan, why you must have such plans, and step-by-step guide to select the most suitable savings plan in UAE. Besides this, in the bonus section, we will discuss about why these plans are like house of cash. This video may help you to increase your monthly savings. Therefore, watch it till the end. So let's begin the journey of a saver. Hi folks, I'm your host Jitendra Srivastav. This channel, Expats and NRI Smart Investor, is part of our mission to ensure basic financial awareness to every individual at no cost. Since last 2 decades, we have been designing strategies for our clients to live quality life with dignity. We are based at Dubai, UAE and help expats and NRI across the globe in their journey for wealth creation with chartered financial planning. So let's move to our topic of today. What is a good monthly savings plan? How it can help you save more and steps to select the best one for you. We have answered most of the questions in this video which our dear subscribers had asked through WhatsApp messages and emails. Let's begin with the question, what is a monthly savings plan? Monthly savings plan is a disciplined way of regularly investing equal amount of money. Each month, this amount is invested as per your choice. This way, your money grows more with time. At the end, you get a lump sum amount to meet your assigned financial goal. There are various terms used for such savings plan like regular savings plan RSP, systematic investment plan SIP, monthly savings plan MSP. These saving plans help you to invest on regular basis like monthly or yearly into local and international mutual funds in US dollars or other currencies of your choice. Now let's discuss about why you must have monthly savings plan and how it can help you in wealth creation. First of all, you save money. Yes, it helps in achieving your basic goal of saving money with discipline on regular basis. This will change your old money equation of earning minus expenses equal to saving to new one, which is earning minus saving equal to expenses. This means every month you will save first, not spend first. Second, you can start small. You can begin saving with very small amount like $200 or $300 per month and can increase it as per your choice. This will help you to inculcate a habit of regular savings. Third, flexibility. The monthly savings deposits can be stopped for some time in case things go wrong, such as job loss or temporary financial issues. Fourth, choice of funds. There are multiple mutual funds available with easy online fund changing options. In some plans, you may have more than 300 quality international mutual funds. Fifth, liquidity. Your money is safe and available at any time, but remember, you should keep it till the particular saving goal is achieved. Sixth, higher returns. It grows your money due to returns associated with the plan. There is a higher growth of long-term investments owing to compound interest, also famously called power of compounding. You can check the post of our Instagram page about power of compounding. Seventh, peace of mind. It is definitely preparing you for your long-term financial goals such as a dream house, children's education and wedding, also your retirement. Eighth, dollar cost averaging. Since you are investing every month, you will even out all the ups and downs of the market to achieve dollar cost averaging. This means it helps you to get consistent high returns in medium and long term without worrying about these ups and downs. Ninth, tax efficient. The income from such plans is without tax here. 10th, US dollar advantage. The value of investment goes up when US dollar appreciates against other currencies. 11th, and the last benefit is financial freedom. You achieve financial freedom over the time because these plans work as passive income for you. For more details on active and passive income, you may watch our video on financial freedom. The link is given in the description box. Just remember that most of these benefits will work when you commit to a savings plan till the duration it is enrolled for and not withdraw before maturity. you may keep a separate arrangement like emergency fund for financial distresses. We shall now get into step-by-step evaluation to select the best and suitable monthly savings plan for you. 1. Identify your goals. Take help from a qualified financial advisor or do it yourself to make a financial plan that clearly defines your most important financial goals with time duration and amount needed, including effect of inflation. These could be personal goals such as kids education, your retirement and wealth creation, etc. 2. Safety of money. All the companies providing savings plan are licensed and highly regulated. Hence, your investments are in safe hands. Some of these companies are as old as 100 years. 3. Choice and flexibilities. You should be able to choose as per your needs. For example, amount that you can contribute, the duration of investment which you want, and your choice of the mutual funds available in the plan, etc. 4. Portability. The plan should be transportable if you move to any other country, including your native country. 5. Bonus. You should get regular bonuses and loyalty incentives for the investors who adhere to the plan for long term. 6. Top-up facility. So you can increase and save more money as and when there are excess amount available, such as bonus from employer. 7. Without life insurance. An ideal saving plan should consist of pure investments if you are not looking for one with life insurance. 8. Easy to manage and operate. The investment account information should be available online for you to observe and manage anytime from anywhere on 24/7 basis. We are sure these steps will help you to choose the best monthly savings plan. Before we get into the bonus, there is a question for you. What do you think is the difference between savings and investment? Do share it with us in the comment box. Now, since you stayed with us till the end, you deserve a bonus point. That is about house of cash. Here is an analogy of monthly savings plan with real estate investment. This means investing in monthly savings plan is similar in many ways to buying a house or property with mortgage or housing loan. We call monthly savings plan a house of cash because monthly savings plan is much more a cash investment from liquidity point of view. So to understand better, let's take an example. Suppose you buy a house or property worth $200,000 with 10 years mortgage loan and pay an EMI of $2,200 per month. After 10 years, you will own the house and the value may also appreciate. On the other hand, in a monthly savings plan, if you save the same amount of $2,200 every month for 10 years, then that will be around $340,000 at an interest rate of 7%. The major advantage here is that you get cash in hand. This will help you to meet the goal you have set after 10 years from now. That is why we call it a house of cash. Here I am showing you a typical monthly savings plan out of the best options available at UAE. In this plan, monthly saving is $500 with 10 years goal. If you have any questions or need our help at finding a good monthly savings plan in the UAE, then contact us on WhatsApp or email shown here on the screen and also mentioned in the description box. Now in our segment, last but not the least, here is a simple financial quote for you. It's not about how much money you make, but how much money you keep. Also, how hard money works for you and how many generations you keep it for. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up to our creative team. Also share the link with your friends and well-wishers. To get new videos regularly, subscribe and press the bell icon. Here we would like to thank our well-wishers for their valuable feedbacks and suggestions. We appreciate your love for this channel. Soon we are coming with a video on the mistakes people do when planning their retirement and much more. Do not forget to share your feedback and choice of topics for next videos in the comment box. Take care of yourself, stay healthy and wealthy as a smart investor. See you soon.